As you become a better player, you need to become a better defender. You know, when the team is up at the net and you're back either in the transition area or at the baseline. The first part is making sure that you get the ball back over the net. Give your opponent one more opportunity to make a mistake. The next part is getting it over the net and hitting it softly. Make your opponent bend or hit up on the shot. That requires a little bit of touch. Today, I'm going to share one of my favorite drills to help you become a better defender. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. If you're new here, welcome. We talk about all things pickleball, gear, instruction, fitness, with a special focus on the player over 50. I once watched a team win the 4-0 division at a very large tournament, based almost exclusively on them hitting a lob, doing a great job of defending it, and waiting for their opponents to make a mistake. As you become a better player, that's probably not such a great strategy because your opponent's overheads get better. But we still need to practice the overhead as well as defending from the baseline or from the transition zone. And that's what we're going to work on today. When your opponents are at the non-volley zone and you're back away from the net, they've shortened the distance between you. And in essence, they have taken away your time to react. This drill is going to help you with your defensive skills, and it's going to help the person at the net work on that overhead. This drill favors the player who's at the net because they're on the offensive. The player at the baseline begins play by hitting a high lob to the player at the non-volley zone. Their job is to hit an overhead smash and to keep the player back on the defensive. The player who's at the baseline is trying to keep the ball in play and work their way into the net. Play the point out till the end, and we usually play this game to 11.
Can't use that arm anymore now.
101.
That's okay. This is good.
I'll see you forward. Do you have more up?
10, 2, 1.
If you need some technical help with hitting a better overhead or defending, make sure you check out this playlist right over here. In the meantime, if you got value, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.